this Friday, of course, just visit any of the Shakey's branches in the Makati, Manila area. For every 500 peso purchase, meron na kayong libreng general admission ticket. At 1,000.
Angus Pizza lang yan eh. Solved na yan.
Alam mo, masarap din yung Angus Pizza, pero yung favorite ko talaga sa Shakey's, yung thin crust, garlic and cheese.
Ay, ako rin. Pareho tayo.
Extra cheese.
With
Coach
extra
Mac also,
cheese.
yes. Coach Mac also loves that. Rina,
Pati
ikaw.
yung daughter ko,
pati
ganyan
si Rina.
din. Oh.
Order namin yung party size.
Yes.
Yung ganon. Tapos, syempre, chicken and mojo's.
Sarap.
Doon,
Sino
tapos-
nga yung nag-birthday?
Si Barry Pascua. O nga pala, sa pa pinakamalapit na Shakey's dito. Yan, HP, nakalagay, Harrison Plaza.
Kalapit.
Pwede. Tatawid lang tayo ng kalye. Aso Taiwan blocks another one. 18 to 9. Alam mo, genuinely nagugutom na ako just thinking about yung kombinasyon. Daring Angus, masarap din nga yung Angus.
Diba? Na thin crust, ha?
Thin crust. Ganun naman talaga eh. When you go to Shakey's, it's really the thin crust pizza. Kahit anong grupo pa sa labas, gumagaya ng thin crust ng Shakey's, wala pa rin tatalo talaga.
Well, walang tatalo sa score ni Zheng Bouli with 18 points. So Taiwan with 8 and Angela Benting with 7. Bautista with 4. On the other side, it's Kite Rosale leading the way with 8. Susan with 4. Arasan and Rosina with 3.
Looks like, pag-usapan na natin kung sino yung mga kandidata natin para sa player of the game. Mukhang Zheng Bouli na naman ang babagsakan.
Namamayagpag.
Sabi ni Coach Roger, pwede bang iba naman? Ba't puro siya? Diba?
Wala tayong magawa. Talagang ganyan.
Alam ko na kung bakit. Mukhang hindi yata niya sinishare yung GC. Kasi diba kung iba pa isang kantsaw lang, diba? Kunyari, bigay mo kay Benting, bigay mo kay Nene, bigay mo kay Kuya, diba?
Subukan mo sa atin, hindi rin tayo mag-share dyan.
Ay, hindi. Ibang usapan tayo. Tayo mga parating gutom yung mga commentator dito sa Shakey's P-League eh. Di makulangan natin setup to Taiwan. And you know what? Taiwan's making a case for it, ha?
That's right. Oh, Taiwan, let's go.
Ano kaya, subukan natin. Subukan natin yung kakayanan ni Rina Villamor na interviewin si Kainsing o Taiwan as best player.
Si Rina, yung face niya mga...
namutla si Rina. Ayan, may ace pa.
Ace.
She's scoring blocking, ace, attack, lahat. Oh, pwede ito si Taiwan. Subukan natin. Substitution, Joanna Putor Carpio in for Jennifer Arasan. Si Coach Roger, tinanong na ni Rina tuloy. Ayan, narinig nga si Coach Roger. Tama yung naisip ni Coach Roger. Pag si Taiwan daw ang kunin natin best player, kukunin niya daw si Zheng para mag-interpret. Maganda yun. Sige, pwede.
Zheng Bouli making another quick hit.
Pwede. 21 to 12. Pag-usapan natin yan, makinig ulit tayo sa napaka-amusing timeout dito ni Nene Ibanez.
Baka nyo na lang si Buwane, binigay nila kay Buwane para pushing mo si Buwane. Siya pushing ko talaga. Kaso, late ka pala, tanong mo, late. Tapos na siya. Baba pa yung depensa dahil. Andito, baba pa niya, baba ka na. Para dalawang kamay na hanggang lang palagi yung dalawang kamay. Isa maganda receive para makatakin tayo. Iwas. Silip sa baby.
Habang nangyayari po yung timeout na kasalukuyan, ninegotiate na ni Rina Villamor kay Coach Roger Gorayev kung anong... Okay, we're letting it out of the bag. We want to have itong si Kainsing Taiwan as our player of the game. She's never had the honor before. She's playing very well today. And let's just see if binati natin.
Inusok mo na naman, Noel. Ikaw talaga.
Sabi ni Taiwan, Jill, halika na nga. Ikaw na nga rito. So, pinasok na si Jill Gustilo. 8-point lead for Sandugo. Gustilo with a good reception. Here is the attack from Benito. Leposoy on the push. Dug up there by Bautista. Di Makulangan, quick set.
Nahilo si Zheng because she was underneath the ball. Hindi niya malaman paano niya ibabalik sa kabila eh.
Medyo hindi nagkatugma ang iniisip ni Di Makulangan at Di Bouli.
No, Di Makulangan telling Zheng the play. Let's see if they're in. Once
Ulit na naman eh.
Pareho eh. Yung set. Medyo nag-zigzag yung pagkakaset ni Rhea Di Makulangan.
Kumbaga kay Tito Vic and Joey, return of the comeback yun. 21-15. Benito. Bautista. Here's the attack from Rosale. Nice block from Boli. Deposoy. And Boli cannot get there.
Deposoy just getting that sweet spot. Alam mo, yung madami sa mga points ng Philippine Navy, nasa-score nila doon sa gitna, no? Yung gitnang portion ng depensa ng
Right.
Sandugo.
So, Di Maculangan and Boli finally gets it across. Here's Mirabueno on the back set now for Carpio. And Boli and Bautista collide. Boli off the block. Mirabueno now for Deposoy. Di Maculangan. Oh! And ito si Jill Gustilo gave it a good effort. Deposoy with back-to-back points.
That's right, and you know, they're just 5 points down now at this point.
4 points
4
down.
points, make that 4 points down.
Oh. Here's Bautista. Di Maculangan for Boli, tipping it over. Mirabueno keeps it alive for Deposoy into the net.
Deposoy with 3 attack points so far. Carpio with 4, and Quintero Sale having 9 points. And 4 nun galing sa block, ha? Yung kay Quintero Sale, 5
Right.
from attacks and 4 galing sa block.
Carpio. Yes.
Carpio going down the line, gets it.
So 22-18. Medyo may kadikitan itong ating third set. Still advantage Sandugo, however. Di Maculangan.
Hindi talaga, yung mahina
Hindi talaga,
signal.
oh, hindi talaga
sila
magkasundo.
makakonect.
And I think De Leon has to restore order here. Alam mo, dumidikit na naman itong Philippine Navy.
It's a 3-point lead now for Sandugo.
Carpio with the serve. Gustilo. De Leon. And the attack by Benting. Nasalo dito ng Philippine Navy. Rosale, however, gives up a free ball. And here is Benting once again. Mirabueno. Gustilo, wise to it. Ruby to Benting. Oh, and Laborte gets a hand on that one. That could have gone out.
That's right. Laborte, last-minute decision to take that one.
So 23-19. Joy Benito. Here's Deposoy on the setup for Quintero Sale, turned back by Boli.
Boli, parang hindi na alam kung ano nangyari doon after that block.
And now match point for Sandugo. Where is Kainsengo, Taiwan? Here is Rosale. And she prolongs it a bit. 24-20.
Not just yet, Quintero Sale will still try to keep
Uy, apat
the
lang yan,
hopes
ha?
alive. Oh!
Benito. De Leon. Runner from Boli, and that'll do it. Straight sets. Ang panalo rito ng Sandugo, they go up to 9 wins and 1 loss. And the Philippine Navy is now officially eliminated from the Final Four. Here's our shaky shake and play right here. Ruby De Leon on the setup. And Angela Benting obliges with this attack.